Good afternoon, everyone. How's it going? This is Aaron from PCH Custom Audio, online car stereo in Murrieta, California. That's right, we got a Tesla Cybertruck we just did. Now this has a full mirror replacement DVR system, as well as the back camera. I'll see if you guys can see it there. So that's a factory looking rear camera that's gonna display on our new mirror here, so you can see anything behind you at all time, no matter what you have in the back seat. So here it is here. Now again, this is also a DVR camera, so we swipe over. There's our front, there's split screen, and back to the rear at all times while you're driving. So if you guys have a Cybertruck, come check us out. We can handle this. This is all plug and play, no cutting, no splicing. As you can see, it doesn't ruin anything with the factory system and looks great. So come on down, check us out, give us a follow at PCH Custom Audio.